sessions. That way, children have the chance to express big emotions without using their words. Because throughout our sessions, sometimes they might be shy at first. So when we ask, how are you feeling today? They can express mad, mad, sad, sad, tired, tired, anxious, anxious. Or maybe you might be at a social gathering, a party, and your child is trying to grab your attention and doesn't really want to say it out loud so everybody knows how they're feeling. And you could just ask you, so you point you, okay, you okay? And your child could express back to you, or tired, anxious. It's another way for them to communicate without using their words.